Hi, my name is Mr. Kelly, and I have a quick announcement for our college-bound seniors and college-bound juniors. You may want to grab your phone. There's going to be an opportunity to take a picture of something here in a minute. When I went to college, I was the very first person in my family to graduate from college. I didn't know what to expect as far as applying for college and getting myself into college. And the rules have completely changed today. I have a daughter that's in college, and the things I had to do to go to college are not the same anymore. So I decided I'd make a quick video to help you get ready for the things you need to do. Seniors, I'm going to talk to you first. Seniors, did you really realize that a third of your senior year has already passed? There are seniors all over the state who are already applying to the colleges that they would like to attend next year, whether in-state or out-of-state. If you haven't started applying, you need to start doing that. Check it out online, see what their criteria are, get their application, and start applying. Colleges let students know 3 different times a year if you're accepted. One is in October, that's already passed. They do that in mid-January and the end of March or early April. So you have to get your stuff turned in if you know where you would like to go to college. Now, there are 3 things that you need to be working on, seniors. Here's that thing you may want to take a picture of. You need to work on a resume. I'm going to show you an example of one here in a second. You need to be working on your applications. Many of the applications have essays. You can't do them in 10 or 15 minutes. It may take you a couple hours to get it completely filled out. And then you need to be working on your SAT, ACT scores. Let's talk about a resume first. Here's an example of a resume. This person's resume has all the different things they were a part of and affiliated with. You might want to take a picture of something like that, as well as the dates out here when they were a part of them. On the second page are all their different accomplishments, different awards that they got, things they were a part of, where they were a leader in the school. All of those things are very important. You're going to have to put that on your application when you go to college. It's also very, very helpful to those of us as teachers that write recommendations for you as you get ready for college. The other thing is SAT and ACT scores. Did you get the SAT score that your college wants? Maybe you have to take it again. That's all right. When are you going to do that? This piece of paper is available in the counselor's office. On one side of it is the SAT dates and registration. The other side is the ACT. And so you'll want to grab one of those and make sure you get on top of that because it takes a while to get the scores back and you need to send those scores in to apply. So I hope that's helpful to you. Juniors, I have something for you very quickly. Just a few weeks ago, you took the PSAT. How did you think you did? Maybe you're thinking, well, I could have done better. I need to get a little bit more help before the SAT or the ACT that my college that I'm interested in wants. Well, there's some things you can do. You can go online and get a little extra help, and there's some stuff out there for you. There are some programs that you can pay for that can help you. There are some local companies that will help you prepare for these tests. But some of those are over $1,000. I know of one that's about $1,600. You get lots of help, but most of us can't afford that. Burville ISD has a brand new alternative. We have a brand new SAT, ACT prep class that just started this semester. Our first set of students are about to finish. It's a 1-semester class. Right after Christmas, we're taking our next set. There's only room for about 30 students. So juniors, if you're interested in being in this class, it's a local credit, it's an elective, but you get a lot more out of it than you would maybe a student assistant. But it can turn to be money that you may need for college due to your SAT or ACT scores. Now, you may think, I'm interested in that. What do I need to do? You need to email your counselor. With only about 30 spots, those spots are going very quickly. Now, your counselors are always available to counsel you in getting ready for college and scholarships and all of that. But I hope these things have been available. Again, seniors, some things to work on quickly. Juniors, if you're interested in this new SAT class, you need to email your counselor. In the next video, we'll talk about some other things that might be helpful to you.